So there are two pieces of information that you need for point slope form. You literally need a point and you need slope. So we are going to be replacing y2 or y1 with a y value. We're going to be replacing m with our slope, and we're going to be replacing x1 with our x value. We are not going to be distributing m, okay? If you have like a negative negative or positive, or if there is a zero being added or subtracted, we will remove it. But we are not going to be distributing out simplify, okay? This is not the best way to write the equation of a line, because it can have any point. However, it is a good way to write standard form. Write that. Okay. So, some things that are necessary, we need to find the slope of the line. So, in order to find slope, there's two ways: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or y around the graph. Then we substitute the slope in one point on the line into the form y minus y1. So we're going to substitute y1 and our m and our x1. We're going to leave the letters y and x. Okay, we're going to leave the letters y and x. Okay. So let's look at the example. So we are going to write the equation in point slope form when our m is 2 and our point is negative 3, 1. So again, our equation is y minus y1, that's what we're going to substitute in, equals m times x minus x1. And that's what we're going to be substituting in. We're going to substitute all the things I'm underlining. Okay, so we're still going to have a y here. And then we're going to do minus. Okay, what is my y value in the pair? 1. I'm going to put a 1 there. Equals m. What is my m value? 2. We're going to put an x. And then we're going to put minus. And then in this case, our x is negative 3. So this is what I mean by we will have to do some like simplifying in a way, but not all of the way. So here's a negative, instead of positive. This will actually be y minus 1 equals 2 times x plus 3. We are not going to distribute that 2. We are not going to add the 1 over. If we do that, then we're putting it in slope intercept form, which we are not doing. Okay? So that is my answer. Okay, so again, I'm going to have y minus then our y value. In this case, it is 0 equals m. Our m here is 1. And then x minus negative 2. Well, I wouldn't have negative. Negative also, I wouldn't have a 0 there. Okay? So I'm going to do y equals 1, then x plus 2. I am not going to remove that 1. I could, technically. Do anything. But the reason why I'm not going to do that is because if I do that, then y equals x plus 2, which that's slope intercept form. That's not point slope form. Okay? Also, we need to know that our slope is 1. Okay? So I'm going to leave the 1 there. Okay. So, what is And what's my hold on. And this is exactly form y equals a number. I would if I equals 0, I would have that 5 over y equals right. This here, let's look at it. So I have a point. So let's write in point slope form. Okay. We're doing y minus my y value is 0 equals m negative 2 over 3 x minus my x value, which is 1. Well, I wouldn't need that 0 there, so we're just going to write it as y equals negative 2 over 3 times x minus 1. But we will not distribute that negative 2 over 3 because then it becomes slope-intercept form, not point slope form. Okay? But this would be a good way to write slope-intercept form our time. That's what the point slope form is for. It's to help write things in other forms. Now we're going to be learning how to write standard form, how we do it. Using point slope form. Okay. So here we are going to be using rise over run to find our m. And we can use any point on the line unless they tell you which one to use, okay? So let's find our rise. I'm going to rise 5. And I am going to run, 5, run 2. And it's negative 2 because we're going backwards. So my m is going to be 5 over negative 2 or negative 5 over 2. Okay? We can use any point. Okay? I'm going to use my x-intercept. Okay? The point I'm going to use is 2, 0. It doesn't matter which point you use. You can use any point that you want. I'm just going to use 0. So that means that we're going to have y minus 0 equals 5 over 2 and x minus 2. And that 0 wouldn't be there, so this would just be the same thing as y equals negative 5 over 2 x minus 2. You could have used the other point if we wanted to. Doesn't matter. Okay? That's why this one isn't necessarily the best way to represent an equation, but it's helpful when we're writing other versions of equations. Okay, so for this next one, we're going to find our slope. So I'm going to do rise over run. I'm going to rise 3. We're going to run 3. So that would be 3 over 3, which is 1. I can use any point on the line. Any point on the line. What point would you guys like to use? What? Use our x-intercept. So that would be Negative 3, 0, you mean? That'd be our x-intercept. Or you could use 0, 3, your y-intercept, either way. Or you could literally use any point, like negative 2, 1, negative 1, 2, any point, okay? I'm just going to use negative 3, 0 because that's what we said. So we're going to do y minus 0 equals my m1 x minus negative 3. So that 0 goes away, and instead of a negative negative, it becomes a positive. You can literally use whatever point you want, okay? Unless they tell you what point to use. Okay. So here they don't give us the slope, so we need to find it. So again, to find slope when they give us 2 points, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we're writing in point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so let's find our m. So what is y2? Negative 22. And the x that goes with it. Okay, and my first y. And the x goes with it. 7. This negative will become addition. So negative 22 plus 10 will be negative 12. 15 minus 7 is 8. Can negative 12 over 8 reduce? Yes, negative 3 over 2. That's my m. So now I have an m, I need to use one of my points. So if we use the 7, 10 as the point, then this would be y minus negative 10 equals m negative 3 over 2 times x minus 7, which is 10. We're going to have a negative negative, so it would be y plus 10 equals negative 3 over 2 x minus 7. Or if we use the other point, I'll do it the other way. So we use this point, again it would be y negative negative would make that positive 22 equals negative 3 over 2 times x minus 15. Either way, either answer would be okay. They might tell you to use the first ordered pair. They might tell you to use the ordered pair 15 negative 22. Most of the time they tell you which ordered pair to use. Okay? But if they don't, you can use either. So let's find our slope for this next one. So my m equals y2. What's my second y? Negative 2. What is the m that goes with it? And we have minus minus. What is my first y? And my m that goes with it? Negative 3. So I'm going to get negative 6. That will be addition, which will make that 0. What is the slope? Undefined. Okay, looking at Mr. Slope Guy, how do I always write an equation that is undefined? X equals a number. What is my x value? What are my x values up here? Negative 3 and negative 3. So my equation is going to be x equals negative 3. No matter what, no matter what form they're asking you to write it in, if it's a special case that it's undefined, it will always be x equals whatever the x values are. And the x values will always be the same. Otherwise, it won't be undefined. Okay? Okay, word problems. Identify the slope if there is one, in 1 or 2 points on the line. If there isn't a slope identified for you, then you need to find one. Okay. Slope usually has a per in it, or it's like comparing two things. Oh, that's not comparing. Okay. 2, 6. It's a ratio. Okay. Use the slope and a point to write the equation in point slope form. Okay. So the best temperature for running is below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. A person who can run 17 feet per second at 60 degrees would slow down by 3 feet per second for every 5 degrees rise in temperature. Write a linear model for running for the runner's pace. All right. So our m is our rate of change. So we're slowing down by negative 0.3 for every positive 5 degrees. Okay? So if we were to divide that, we would get negative 0.06. Okay? Then my point that I'm going to use at 60 degrees, we would run at 17.6 feet per second. Okay? So I have a point and I have slope, so I can write in point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m, then x minus x1. So we have y minus our y value, which is 17.6, equals m, which we decided is negative 0.06. Then we have x minus 60. All right, let's look at the next one. A crate can hold up to 30 oranges. A crate with 16 oranges weighs 8.8 pounds. Okay, so they give us two things of information. That, so that's going to be an ordered pair. Okay? It says that our orange is 16, and then it weighs 8.8. I know that my 8.8 is going to be the y because it depends on the x, how many oranges there are. Okay? And then it's assuming that each orange weighs 4 pounds. So that means that my slope, or the rate of change, each time I add an orange, is 4 pounds. So my m is going to be 0.4. We need to write a linear model representing the weight of oranges with x. Okay, great. So we're going to do y minus, okay, what is my y value? 8.8 equals m, 0.4. And x minus my x value, which is 16. And that's it. Okay?